Come on in. And as you walk in, you're going to feel my foundation actually shifted. My walls broke away from the posts here and from the floors and everything. This shelf right here cracked. You can see the cracks at the doorways and here. And you go up and down. And you're going to feel it as you're walking through. You zoom in on the tree. It's beautiful, you know, but if you know the story, it's sad too, you know. But it's, you know, it's fought back with everything it's had, you know. Come on in. And as you walk in, you're going to feel my foundation actually shifted. My walls broke away from the posts here and from the floors and everything. This shelf right here cracked. You can see the cracks at the doorways and here. And you go up and down. And you're going to feel it as you're walking through. I can remember preparing to evacuate and knowing that the hurricane was coming to this area, not knowing if it was going to be west of us or to the east. And, you know, going to town to get supplies or whatever. I said, maybe I should be taking pictures of what it looks like, you know, now in comparison of what it could be like when we come back. And I regret to this day that I didn't do that, you know, because that's, you know, our history, community of Bayou Dulorge, you know, gone. And, you know, they're not going to rebuild those, you know, that lumber. I mean, blood, sweat, and tears went into that, you know, harvesting the cypress trees, you know, in the local areas here. So, you know, like I say, a lot of history lost right there.
We're on High Ridge Plantation. We're standing in front of the site where the 1870s, 1880s Scotch-English barn was constructed. It was a unique construction that it was made with all timbers, saplings, etc. There were no machined wood, if you will, in the barn. So it has completely demolished and you would never know. So another instance where history has disappeared and not to be replaced. This is the Frederick's sugar mill, what's left of it. It wasn't in great shape before. It last produced syrup probably in about 20 years ago. But the family has been here since the 1870s, 1880s. This was originally a sugarcane plantation and subsequently a big rice farm. But this is all that's left of the last syrup producing mill on Bayou Dulorge.
It's going to hurt us as basket weavers, you know, and I have to make time to weave again, you know. There's so much to do with this house as far as emptying it and moving on. You look at the communities, you saw the damage, and you have to say, who's coming back? I'm not one to say you have to come back. That's a personal decision there, you know, but I can tell them as a tradition bearer that it's important that you learn your culture, learn how to weave the basket. That's kind of like our identity there, you know, as basket weavers. You know, the Houma people are known for the palmetto baskets. So, like I say, it's important that they learn about the rich history that we have, how to use the materials we have down here, because like other tribes throughout the country, you make use of what you have around you. It's hard,
On the front,
you know, as a community to see all the damage out here. Some of my roof is across the bayou over there, but I'm not the only one. We all in that, you know, like the song says, all in the same boat right now.